another UK Random video. I'm UK Random 2 and this is UK Random 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we've got some cool things to show you guys. And it is all Pokemon.
I love it.
You love it?
One of the cards.
Yeah, so UK Random 2 has found his new love of Pokemon. Yes, and we went, believe it or not, to the Funko
Fair.
It wasn't a Funko Fair, it was the London Funko Market. That's it. It was in the West End. It was at the Royal National Hotel.
Yeah?
Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, they do it every first Sunday of the month. Double check that. But if you go on Google and type in London Funko Fair, you'll find the information. Now, it's not just Funko Pops. It literally is everything from Funkos, comics, memorabilia, Pokemon, so much stuff. It was really cool, wasn't it?
Mostly everything I like was there.
Yes, it was mostly everything you liked. Spent a blooming fortune. But anyway, so let's show you guys some of the cool things we got. Now, there was a lot of really cool traders there. There was a few people that we knew. The first one we went to was Kid At Heart. Very good friend of ours.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put links down below. He's also got a new unit at Brown's Garden Village in Cruise Hill in Enfield. So if you're ever in the neighbourhood and you want to check out his Funko Pop stock, get down there. But yeah, we saw a lot of stuff on his stall, didn't we?
Yeah. Some of this was mostly from
nearly all of this was from him, wasn't it?
Yeah, those.
Oh, you got your Pokemon hat as well, which we didn't bring.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't matter. I'll show you a picture of him in the hat. I'm sure we've got one somewhere. But anyway, let's move on. Now, the first thing we bought.
Let's go to smallest.
The smallest first?
The cheapest to the expensive.
All right, we'll go with the smallest thing first, which was two little figures. We have... Oh! Yes, it's Mewtwo. And we also have this one. Now, guys, if you know what this one is called, please let us know down below because I have got no idea. No idea. Do you know who this is?
Heck no.
It looks like a tree spider.
No, it's a black tree.
It's a black tree.
Maybe his name is the sad tree.
Or it could be Groot's brother.
Oh.
I'll take it. It's not Groot's brother, is it? So yeah, we picked these up from Kid At Heart. Very cool.
Let's go to this one.
You sure you want to show that one first?
Yeah,
okay.
And then that one.
We got ourselves a Pokemon card. Now this is Scizor. It was £4. Pretty cool looking card. It's holographic as well. It does look really cool. I don't know who this guy is. Guys, tell me, is this a good card?
Good.
What do you think it's a good one?
Rainbow ones are the best.
Rainbow ones?
Yeah, rainbows.
What do you mean, as in the ones with the
colours? The proper colours and live. A lot of lives. Or the I don't remember.
Very cool looking card anyway. That was £4. That wasn't from Kid At Heart. That was from another store.
Yeah, I think from another store.
I can't remember.
Another one.
But anyway, the next thing we got
is let's go to this one.
No, dude, sit down. Sit down. It's getting too excited. This one, right? Are you ready? Let's do this one.
Okay, and then that one, and then that one.
Something I know a bit about. Funko Pops. Yes, it is Mewtwo. Yeah, we had to pick this one up. We got this from Kid At Heart. This is absolutely brilliant. I think, is Mewtwo your favourite Funko? Funko, your favourite Pokemon?
No, the other one. There's another one. Like, with Pokemon cards, the one I have.
Which one? You've got hundreds of Pokemon cards.
Dad, the one you never let me touch.
Oh, that's the ancient Mew.
Yeah, ancient Mew.
All right.
My favourite. I had the card, and I made
There you go. Take a look at that bad boy.
It's like this one.
How cool does he look?
It's just a mini version. You
Exactly.
had to think it. Look, the hands the same, face the same, leg the same, tail no.
That is a really cool one. I like the tail on this. But look how mean he looks.
He's actually a villain.
Is he a villain?
Because he made someone in the car crash, I think. The car crash.
No idea.
Yeah, he had no clue.
So guys, let me know, is Mewtwo a goodie or a baddie? Oh, I'm very interested to know. So yeah, that was number 581 in the Pop Games line. I put him in upside down. I should what are you laughing at? What you laughing at? Right, so the next thing, show him the ball. Yeah, this was really cool. We're going to open that, yeah? Let's see what... Actually, I am not with it today. I really...
Is it because we haven't done a video for ages?
It's true, we haven't done a video in a very long time, have we?
And I can't open this.
So busy. Show him the ball. Show it to him and I'll open it. That is really cool.
We have one that's damaged, but this one's going to be better.
Yeah, this is really cool. So it's
let's see how many there is.
What's inside the Pokeball?
Thousands of coins.
Does it tell us? The answer is Pokemon cards, of course.
No.
Didn't see that coming.
Pokemon coins and cards.
Right, so this Pokemon TCG Pokeball tin contains 3 Pokemon TCG booster packs and also 1 Pokemon coin.
Oh,
like you
I
said.
wanted it more. More. That's why I got it. Yeah.
Well, you wanted more than that.
Yes, 1,000. Above
Yeah, UK Random 2's Pokemon collection
has grown in a year. Grown in a year.
It hasn't even been a year.
Oh.
But yeah, we've
25 months.
So many cards. We've got quite a few folders now. And we've also got a very special Pokemon card coming up.
It's a legend.
It wants to be. It cost legend the money. That's not how it opens. Yeah, let's show them the ball. So that's the tin. So obviously that'll come in handy to
some of my Pokemon stuff. High five. Let's have a high five.
Cool.
I don't like
so here you go. First of all, we have the coin. Let's get that out.
What is it? Let me look. Oh,
so
that's the one my dad was on.
Coin. You've already got this one.
No, wait, look. No, I don't. That's actually a great one.
Mewtwo, I think.
That's a great one.
Let me know if I'm wrong, guys.
No, it's Mewtwo.
I love the way look at the colours on it.
It actually, if you move it, it changes colours.
Yeah, how cool.
Wow, this should be legendary.
And here are the 3 packs.
Should I open them?
Well, you're not opening them yet. Wait a sec. Let's see what they are. So there are 3 different types. We've got Sun and Moon.
Sun and Moon.
Yes, we have. We also have Fate and Collide.
Fate and Collide.
Interesting. And we have Sword and Shield.
Sword and Shield. I actually like that.
So that's 3 completely different lines there.
Okay, you open one.
Do you want to open them now?
You open this one, I open these ones.
Can I just open one?
That
Yeah, let me open it and you get them out.
I know how to.
Cool.
Circle.
Alright, let's have a look. Pass it over.
Circle. Oh, nope, not right.
Right, I'm not going to try and pronounce the names of all of these because, Jesus,
they're
not easy. So we've got Binnacle, apparently.
No, not that. There's only one rare.
There's only one rare.
That's the rare one with the diamond. I'm going to
Zygarde.
separate these into what I like.
It's quite cool. Hey, pass them over here. Cinchino or Cinchino? People probably getting well angry at me right now for getting the names wrong. Right, this one looks really cool. Humanity? Looks like an old geezer with a big moustache. That's a cool holographic card. This one.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm separating these.
Why are you separating them for? I'm showing them to the people. Oh. Larvitar. Bronzor. And you got to be careful with the cards because by doing that, you're going to bend them, aren't you? Carbink. Oh.
Trade.
And
Like to trade.
Burmy.
You're so bad at
Oh, leave me alone. What's that one there? I haven't shown that one.
And another one. Oh, it's a booster.
Wigglytuff.
Dad, you want to read this one?
What is that one? Let's have a look.
It isn't even.
That's a trainer card.
Yeah,
Helix Fossil Omaniite.
Wow.
Cool. There's some pretty cool ones there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to arrange to get one of my friends to come down who's a Pokemon expert. And he can tell you
what ones are good and what ones are bad.
And also he can tell you a little something about Pokemon. And maybe even teach us how to play the game.
I have to learn.
Yeah, leave that one. Let's do this one first.
I'm not opening this one.
Wait a second. No, leave it close so we do one at a time. So these are the ones from Sun and Moon. This one is Psyduck. There you go.
Psyduck. I'll put that in. Now, why don't we just put it there?
Eevee.
Eevee? Oh, that's one of the names. Yeah, I get that name.
Picky Peck.
Picky Peck? What?
Looks like a woodpecker. That's probably what it is.
It is a woodpecker. Look, let me look. Yeah, it's a woodpecker. But just...
Alolan Meowth.
Oh, wow. It's actually, it looks like good. It looks very good.
Yes, it does.
The other one is a rare one. Oh, my lordy lord. I see one good card there.
Oh.
No, still not rare.
No. Corsola.
The ones with the small stars.
Get another holographic one. I don't think you're going to get rare cards in one of these packs.
There's only one in each pack.
Lantern.
But they're not that rare.
Right, this is the energy.
Energy booster. Energy booster.
This is trainer. Is potion.
Potion?
Yes, it is. We've got Torracat. That one actually looks really cool.
Let me check if it's real or not.
Doesn't matter if it's real. You've got to look and see if you like it.
I
and
only like
Trainer, Poison Bob.
Let me look at that.
And that's the other...
No, none of these are rares. Okay, hopefully there's a million rares on there.
Yeah, a million rares.
Hopefully this is full of rare ones. Because I traded some of my packets. And I lost all my good cards.
You traded some? Who did you trade with?
Aaron.
Well, did you? Okay,
yeah.
So he gave you some of his and you took some of... And he got some of yours.
And he got this.
So these ones are from Sword and Shield.
My favourite card.
So we've got Grookey. Oh, that is really cool. I like that one. What do you think?
Okay, I like that guy.
Cuffant. Koofant.
What the? Let me look.
It looks like an elephant.
Covered.
Baltoy.
His name should be covered.
Chinchu.
Chinchu?
Yep.
Oh, I had that card. Chinchu.
Sizzlypede.
Sizzlypede.
Some of them have got some really cool names.
Yeah, really.
Diglett. It's another shiny card.
Oh, Dad, let me check it out.
Morpeko. Morpeko. It's not Italian, I don't know. I said it like that.
More potato. Let me check.
Right, we've got an energy.
Oh, it's rare! What? Check. It's rare.
Doug Trio.
What? What? Is that what now?
Doug Trio. And we've got another trainer card. Pokemon Center Lady. Cool. And we have another trainer, Energy Retrieval. So that is all of
the Pokemon cards.
The packs that we just got. And now, the last
the
one.
Legendary's holding it.
We have this.
Bad boy.
Bad boy. So this one, we saw it, and it's actually a 10 rating. It's in the protective case, which it will stay in forever. Let's see who it is. It is Ice Rider Salyrex from VMAX. That is really cool. It's the black and gold on it. Look wicked. Looks like a horse. Probably is a horse. Ride of the High King.
You know sometimes
is 10
it isn't
plus.
like it holds.
Max Lance is 10 plus.
How much damage does it do?
I don't know. You tell me. I don't know what to look for.
I don't know where to look for it.
Guys, tell me a bit about
1,000
this
million
one.
damage.
What do you know about this? This one actually cost me £15.
£15.
Is it worth 15 quid? Did they see me coming? To be fair, I think to get these things graded costs a few quid. So, but this is a really cool one. As soon as I saw it, it really did stand out, and he wanted it, and I thought, you know what, why not? Yeah. So, what do the, what do the stars mean? What do the
stars mean they're rare. The circles mean they're good, but the diamonds don't mean they're that great. I think.
Guys, let me know what to look out for. I think I need to make that phone call and get my Pokemon guy down here, because I'm making these Pokemon videos and I have got no idea. So guys, what do you think of these? What was your favourite pickup from these? Was it the Funko Pop? Was it the poker tin?
The broken poker tin.
Was it this card? Was it the little figures? Was it this one? What do we get next? Do we need to learn how to play the game, guys? Seriously?
Yes,
or is it just about collecting the cards? Do you want to learn the game?
Trading is the best.
Trading is the best.
Well, trading leads to bigger Pokemon cards. Bigger Pokemon cards lead to rarer ones.
What he said.
So you start off with one card, then you end up with 1,000 million, I guess.
It's going to be an expensive habit.
Less than Pokemon cards, at least.
And to be fair, this wasn't it all we bought. We bought so much more. He's already opened loads of cards and packs, and he got a hat, he got a pen, a Pikachu pen. He got...
Yeah, broke.
Oh, he didn't have to tell him that, man. He didn't even make it home. Never mind. But guys, like I said, we got this stuff from the London Funko Market, which is really cool. Worth checking out. So if you are in London, dude, stop repeating me. If you are in London, first weekend of the month, it's on a Sunday at the Royal National Hotel. Is the Royal National? Yeah, definitely worth checking out. It was good fun. And you know what? We will be going back. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, give us a like,
subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Peace. Oh, I can't do that.
Just don't work with kids or animals.